we are looking at the StreamX X2 Max. We're not only going to unbox this one today, but we're actually going to get this connected so we can try it out. Let me go ahead and pull it out of the box here, and ooh, I forgot how nice this was. You can check out my first video on this showing everything that's kind of in the box, and a more detailed unboxing style video. But this one, we're getting to the nitty-gritty, and I'm going to show you what's actually on the device and why it's pretty good. Before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Geeks Outfit. Definitely check them out in the link below. They sent me this t-shirt and a bunch of the other cool tech and nerdy t-shirts that I've worn on my channel. If you want stuff like that, definitely check them out in the link below. So, opening up this box here, we've got the StreamX. Very nice device. I'm going to get some B-roll footage of this as well because it's actually really clean. We got a screen in front. We have some cooling vents on the left side. We have a micro SD card slot, a USB 3 port, a USB 2 port, and a restore button on that side. And then in the back we have optical audio, gigabit internet, HDMI, AV, IR. IR is for the, if you need to extend the infrared for the remote control, you can extend that and put it somewhere else. And then the power adapter and two adjustable antennas. Easy enough. It does have a screen, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and look in the box and see what else is here. We've got a nice little slimline HDMI cable. Cannot have too many HDMI cables, that's for sure. They have the power cable here, and this is 5 volt, 2 amps, so this could pretty much be powered by USB. It's not going to take up too much power at all. And then we have the remote here. Now, I've reviewed another StreamX controller, and I liked it a lot. So this is going to need 2 AAA batteries, and you're going to get all of your voice access or voice control here right there. Pressing that. It is a Bluetooth remote, so it will work with other devices as well. To pair it, you're just going to hold the OK and back button until it starts blinking, and then your device will detect it. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump over to the computer and get it plugged in. Alright, so we are testing out the StreamX Max now, and let's go ahead and use the control here and go through this. So this is the disclaimer notice that kind of lets you know that, hey, you might be able to do some shady things on this device, so it's not our fault. Let's go ahead and go to agree. And now we're going to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi network. Alright, and we are connected. So let's go ahead and choose next. And let's go ahead and adjust the size of the screen. That looks good. And we're in. So, very nice design on the StreamX. It's not just a standard Android theme, it seems. It looks like they have an actual nice design here. Let's go ahead and go to the App Store and see what we can get. So we have the Play Store and the App Store. We're going to go to the App Store because that's where all the good stuff comes in. And we'll go ahead and open that up. Little disclaimer notice before you jump into the good stuff. And here we are, Echo TV, Echo VOD, all the good stuff, backup TV. Let's go ahead and download Echo TV and see what it's like. And just like that, you've got a ton of great channels, live channels, as well as a bunch of video on demand content. Let me go ahead and show you that as well. So obviously lots of great stuff here, but if we go back and go to Echo VOD, I'll show you the rest of what this, because this isn't just for live TV, this is for all of your actual network shows and movies like Netflix, Peacock, things like that would include. Now, you can of course install all the normal Android apps from the App Store, so if you want to install the actual Peacock app or Netflix or YouTube, you can do that and use the official apps. Or you can use these Echo apps to just have access to thousands and thousands of movies, TV shows, and live TV as well. So yeah, super solid device. Definitely check them out. I'll put a link to them in the description below, and I'll show you where you can get the StreamX X2 Max. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good one. Peace.